Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa dishes. Start by rinsing your quinoa. This crucial step removes saponins, which are natural coatings that can make quinoa taste bitter. Simply place 1 cup of quinoa in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. This simple preparation ensures your quinoa will be light, fluffy, and delicious, ready for any dish you plan to create. Now let's cook it perfectly. For every 1 cup of rinsed quinoa, you'll need 2 cups of liquid, such as water or vegetable broth for added flavor. Combine them in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Then, reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. The quinoa is ready when all the liquid is absorbed and the grains appear translucent with a small tail. Once cooked, resist the urge to immediately uncover it. Instead, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for 5 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in a more evenly cooked and tender grain. After resting, gently fluff the quinoa with a fork. This separates the grains, giving you that wonderfully light and airy texture everyone loves. Quinoa is incredibly versatile. You can use it in countless ways. Try adding it to your favorite salads for a hearty, protein-rich meal, or use it as the base for vibrant grain bowls with roasted vegetables and a delicious dressing. It also works wonderfully in soups and stews, adding a satisfying texture and a nutritional boost. Enjoy experimenting with this amazing superfood in your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.